wa mesia de kese so hwe se eye team eternity omo aka omo abom na we no kra de we rehearsal keke we ne de we se e de pepa ye mpran no adwaye eno no na se TC Park ne so na se ye bo adwuma wani beji se ti bobonde ada se one abusuafo nyina we no eye abusuan nchemfa enti ende mpanifo aka bom se ye no kwa edition na se abusuan nchemfa oba make sure se one abusuan ena eba obi akita ne hanky na fe yemfa sajumedie no yemfa embryo eye class edition enti so enso mame samu akwaba emfamra Adom TV so uguso a ohwe sajumedie tin se agudie mo nsem ena sabre ya bobo ankomo ni nyina no na yede eno so yede ebro ene anopai mede de cobblestone okomankra ba ko amaka ensuroja adura enwuno anopai kame hona yemfa ndase no yamfama richoko obenom no wanom na wani agise eye richoko sanso ena game park ane womo ena eboa eme nanopay yede agudie mo nsem no yede abro afema yenhyase emfemfiri eye former eye Black Stars midfielder Emmanuel Ajimanbedu ena wode nkoma akra ebe obekaya ena no Ghana ene Mexico omo share kamienu yentimi antibi Ghana ene USA enra anopa ade echi no omo so ehye ka enan eno so Ghana entimi anshebi na ese gold ye eho akwatwe e de amade Blasters of Ghana ende no ane se omo so ebogum edmaisa neno ena Emmanuel Ajimanbedu wode etudwa se emra so a ese etimi efa de ye kan potokasem se experienced players omo ena ese coach no wo manani ekom ho no tumi edu wom ehye ni team na anya sade a de biada no obekoso atwe afa na bo yenti nsema Emmanuel Ajimanbedu wode etu yenim.
Unfortunately for us, this is what has happened. We just need to just relax, calm down. I know the pressure is very high. Next month we have the World Cup qualifiers, which is very crucial, and to start preparing for the AFCON in January. It's very worrisome, very troublesome where we are heading to, but I'm really optimistic that I think for what has happened these two games, the coach has seen what he needs to do, what he needs to react on, and I know the supporters are getting tired of waiting, but we should have patience with them. I'm very optimistic that from next month going, the team will start yelling well and try to do well. And if you can add a bit of experienced players to the team, I think it will help. I'm not here to fight for anyone, but I think if the coach thinks he needs some players as from somewhere that he can bring down and it will help those who are well experienced, I think he can think about it so that we can get them and blend them with the youthful ones we have, so that at least we can work from them. No one has cemented his position, especially what happened these two games. I don't think the players are happy. I don't think the coach is happy, and I don't think the FA is happy. So there's no one who has cemented his position in the national team. Well, for competition, yes, I agree with you, and I have spoken about this for more than 2 years ago, that we need a competition. Don't let any player feel that without him, the team will not work. This is Blasters. We have like 5 million footballers. So if we are selected the best 23 and even the first 11, we should be privileged and work very hard. For what we are seeing now, I think normally it's difficult for me talking about players because of where I am coming from. But my colleagues, I'm begging them at least to add a little to what they are doing. The coach can do whatever he can do. But when he selects you on the field, he's not on the field to tell you when you reach it, you need to shoot. Now what we are relying on is on individual brilliance, which is not helping the team. So
Shanti way ensema obekai abrantie ye pa time Ghana ekotebiri under 20 crew a ebibiremu oman bia ni wa ye bida no na oginema na wo sia kan wabebo Black Stars pen Emmanuel Ajimanbedu na wote se wode nsem we etudwa no ene da obekai na ye pa under 20 no short bi a oboye mpenifo se akrai o short yi emu odene yenkohwe omogem kakra na se Ajimanbedu na wote se wode nsem we so wode etudwa no yensan enjiremo e the Black Stars of Ghana hwa na abrantia wono ene ginanim ho ebo no wadre edema Crystal Palace ena no wasan besia kan bi edema eye Black Stars eye Jordan Ayew ene wode etudwa se mrantia omogina musia kan ema sade akwese nimguase ne eba no dodo na inexperienced players enti no ogidi se emre kakra mu no Ghana for ebehu sede a Black Stars no ebesi fako Adana you ena wode nsem we so wode etudwa onim se ne nua pani ene Andre Rami Morgan you ono de akensie we wantime ankosi bi na yebetu de ne ebechirim ewo asoafo a ono hwe mbabu no ene agudi ensem so nemum mamenka o se nyame ya adoma 29 se da na meka akiro no wo Perez Dome jumedi kase pa eba so Adom praise na se we quartz edition na ye ka quartz edition dia na se kwafo kwaku ahodo a ewo omem no na multimedia mpanefo titire Adom TV womo akeka bom enti wo sa dwumedie mu no oba oye Romania Roman for eba utifie trenden afi se uvramu a na se no harmonious choral omo the orthodox line no mayen kama pa na miami diem Assemblies of God abba yeso de no eba ten omo no unim se ene uvramu dia na se Cedar Mountain Square omo ene eba na obi eba nso a o feature ye ka feature na se wode obi a owo kwa animu apie nsonoma kase pa ewom no ena wode ne eba entunim se Assemblies of God yede geometal ene yede no eba abipie mo mepacho Empire ebedwa enyom nko a afi the new song so eyade a omonso eba omo the PAC Esther ena omonso ede eba na se Church of Pentecost so ede no we dey akwese World Cup pa ena yede akopem so no na yahwe entontom ne ayeye enwoma ebekọ so ho no emu bede multimedia kwa yiremfi wom omugino mo nanso bruta na se omonso no ede Kofi Owusu pepra ena omode ne eba na se papa unim so microphone ma ebi kura frɛ no microphone magician na se enwoma oba beto no enya dia eda fon krasanso ena Destiny Songs omonso ede Efe Grace ena omo ede ne eba a chese utum sampa emu bede pa eti bomode se onso beba abepie mu Perez Dome na se no 29 na se sa dwumedie no uyu hu free ma makachro se abusua enchemfa obia eba dendenden pa mede eno so ejao yensan enkuyanim yekuyanim no mesan ede ho komo bebrebe enso ede ama nemum yekọ asoya eho na omohwe embabu no ene agudi ensem so Honorable Mustafa Usif ene penipa wada ano na ende wakopie mu awkofodia onim se stadium ne de asiesi ne foforo dia ne kono enhyeda enye de nkrobekọ na wako inspection ne kama emende central phone so ade akire ne yakotwa ede abromche na no so no okopie mu awkofodia agoprama omosi ne hyerete ede ato no na okoye no sei ena neoma ekoye
agudie ne mbabu ne so ononyafo Isif Mustafa kire se Kofodia Multi-Purpose Youth Center ye America kranie omo da soso ball form ya na omo siesie ho apagesi wo kama no bosumi a ebesimi November bibia ye krado a wo mo hwe ni mu se omo de apaso betwa homam ne ya pa ho ntuma
isa youth resource center eye edu ene eye wo Ghana the then 10 regions ye wo bako na Vrungu representing the upper east region ye wo bako wa for upper west region ye wo bako Yendi for the northern region ye wo bako Dunkwa Ofin ewo central region ye wo bako Azim ewo western region ye wo bako Adakluho ewo Volta region ena bebi ejina Ekofodua Miami Chrome ye say ye wie ena ewo bako enyinenyin ewo Ashanti region ena ye wo bako Doma into 10 youth resource centers near His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo OC ni nyina so at the same time apart from enono enye say football say na national CEO kai no enye say bia sports nkoana youth resource center na SF because I want for baby almost stadium enye stadium stadium plus
the chief executive officer Adema National Youth Authority Pius Enam Haji den so say abana bo modern pa Kofodia resource center yi abeboa na botae si mebuna nisuo no abamu
facilities ne dunum no be ye 6 de ye wi anesa out of that 6 no 3 eno no de minister ama ye pene se afri ne koye ye nhihye ye se ye be commission na Ghana for ebe hyase se wo mo be yusu enti nsenchefo ye be sre enche mo be ehu se ye be sa frem se mo mbra na ye commission facility almost 98% ye wie aka painting ne nyuma nkakra bia ye be ye na ye hwe nim se ansa na fi beba ne wieye na wotwi aye busumi aye kwakwa wremu yi beba ne wieye no na abrewa yipuma Africa mu a sa facility ya commission
papa ne tie de opoku afiye ono wo awakon Ghana Limited enso ye kire se 98% de bibi adedemu a enche kura ere dwumadie ebeto hode ama mabunu no na mo de aye de omope
ye de se de ohun se de adwuma ne sitie na no adwuma no se de minister kan aye mu 98% or how much chichemu edi okono nwotwe ane aye aka adwuma nketenkete se de be se be painti walls no na nkonwa ewa achira ha ye de be si wo so mampanyi ba ubenya ba wi atena ade a hwiri be yetimi kra ye ne chena ba se de misi kire wo no my Ghana nyina adwuma nti mera ye betu ensa kire se o contractor for ye pese ye beji ade ne de ma kofodu amamu no chena no sa mera ne be free hako.
Okay, enti abusuana se openia otenenka ene se dia Sergio Manucho etwetwe noma asiene no youth center mpanifo echese omosi ne kama okufodua ena otese yede ehon komonso yede ebro no nyame atuma yebesa kohwe asiponde no so na yahwese eno so da ben ene ye peja ede asiwo eno so mresim yede ehon komonyinada yede no so ebebro mamenka o se Richoko anopo behwa na se mekruwa ene si manumi bebo no kama na ede ahode foforo ena yede eheda na senti bomode ada se onso no obenya bi ofie na Richoko de eye abusua enchemfa sanso ena eye game park eno so de bia meka wasem ede kiro se nei financial freedom ede ma youth no eno ana aba no game park nti bomode se onso no odo ho behim na no so no etime awie peyo enso ede amao afi yensan enkuye ni me ewo former UEFA Champions League winner our sanso edobo se England anase injury sabrochimemo womo international football player eye owura ba kwa friend Ryan eye Bertrand ena wode nsem kakra etudwe ni nyane se wa arrival ewo oman Ghana mu a na ba wa be piem no oba be hwe na twumedi kese bi etime akoso ehonom yintie se dia ehon popoye no nso no esifa etie
Pan Sports Agency agency ba ko a wonyini promprom my Ghana mu hapa enra waya nwanwade a kotokawe mu hyengina bia ho nipa pepia nkoma ekotwa hyiaye ekoma UEFA Champions League winner Ryan Bertrand akwaba abrantie yi wokai ne yepan kan no si aka de ma Chelsea wabepia my Ghana mu a wo hwe ni mu se partnership a ono ne mfemfo Louis Bell eno mo keka ho omde awentam so ene Pan Sports Agency no abekra behwe ni nti eno wabepia my Ghana mu mfinhye du na Pan Sports Agency edia omo hwe se Bertrand awapa my Ghana mu no eho beba mfaso.
What they do on the football side is amazing, and I would love to just look deeper, you know, and I'm very interested in establishing sports with a purpose, and when we have our values aligned more frequently with each other, you know, we can see what we can do with the youth of tomorrow.
Okay, and talking about the youth, what have you heard about Ghana's talent here?
Yeah, I played with, you know, there's been many history of talents, but in my personal career, I played with some top, you know, Ghanaian talents. So, you know, I'm looking forward to coming and see it firsthand at the grassroots, and you know, just really engage with the community.
The president of Pan Sports Agency, Delacroix Jr. was say we are who fast pa.
The kind of relationship we forged with Ghana has been one of like your business partners and friends, and then we are doing projects together. So it's like even when we send him pictures of projects and things we are doing, he's excited. He's always wanted to come. So it was just the time, getting the right time. But then he also realized that it's time to get here. So he's around, and we are happy he's here because we are going to do more things.
Oshanti neze ma yentu aso Sergio Manucho ena ekruche sankomo nso a wode abejaye no na miguso eka ose kwasiada ebenso ena adepam final nso ebetimi akoso omo a ewofie no enim dwumedi ameka wasemi onsa no adwuma wasemi nim adepam ntunim adepam a nese enyadia eda from kranti no mepacho 4 pm ken enye 4 am weye dano eko no anwumre no no 9 nese otu TV ho na wanya eye Richoko bi na fe ode twen se dwumedie no ebetime abaso eye styles ahodo adepamfo okroma de omonim se enoma bebre na omusua edi free saa dwumedia Adom TV omo edi abebo ase omo ayade na yempene ome enti mami fenwie ewo tano bofo akwa aso eye esu yi pebre na unim se omo head coach eye Owura Frimpong Manson na wode nkoma akra eba edi fa di ntia ende team no eye foforo kra afei na omo abepiem el Premier League no mbe bebre ni na omo nya bi emboye na nsem omo baaye no kame ya se omo modern bono akosoro pa no pani no achechie mo ehintasema enam so amende omo ebom ho modern sa.
Not easy to go and then win somewhere. So sometimes you don't take that risk. Sure. If you see that it's not going that you need to make sure at least you get your point and then you come back. For us at home, we always try and then get the nod at home.
Eti nese we Tano Bofakwa head coach and out say wodin semino to Jano Nyame Adoma weekend omne Karela United na omo ede pemso Ghana Premier League no echina akwefiade yede honkomo nyinada yede eno so ebebro mamemfa ensine emfa ndase no yemfa ema Richoko na fe Game Park omo adaroma na no pay omo kita mo dendentene a mede agudie mo nsem mede ebro de hyemi eye Adom praise mesro bomodin se 29 unyi ho emfem free sa adwumedie mo oba ye nyina ebehim na okay the last edition said the koye afidi mpenfo chese yemfa kwafo ahodo wo kroma no nti brotoka se me kan se course edition ene ye de eno so ebro maka se kwa bia eba ensanse eye enyom nkwa na eso mo nanti no omo ensroma wapie ewom no ene obia ede eba na me yadoma yebekom na ye de ehonsem nyinada ye de abronte bomonde ada se onso ubehia e Paris Dome 29th eye October bosumi ye wom ye ene ye de sa adwumedie no yede eno so ebro within the Cobblestone okumankra bako amaka ensuroja adura enyono numero 1 sheshe